What's up, guys? I'm back like I never left. In this video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 NFT stocks to watch. I'm also going to be going over the top stocks, companies that are going to be reporting earnings for this upcoming week. We're going to be going over GameStop, Blink stock, so make sure you stay tuned. I'm also going to go over a quick stock market recap and some important economic reports we need to watch moving forward. All this important information coming up. Now, before we get into the video, I would appreciate if you hit the like button. If you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. So moving forward for this upcoming week, we have some important earnings reports coming up, one of them being GameStop. So there's a lot of people that are watching GameStop right now because of what's been happening for this stock, for the past few months, having massive short squeeze, and then it crashed, and now it's going back up again, and a lot of eyeballs on this company right now. So on Tuesday, after the market close, we're expecting GameStop to make a massive move. So let's go over and see exactly what to expect for the earnings, and we're going to look at exactly what options price makers are positioning themselves and what are the expected move for this company. So when you look at the stock price, we're currently sitting at $194. So the expected move that they're anticipating is around 30%. So the stock can either go up and down 30%. So if it goes up, it can go above $250. So that's gonna put it right around over here, and that is around a $58 to $60 move. Or it can potentially drop down below $150. So definitely be on the lookout for that. I know a lot of people actually sold off, and there's some people that got in it again and they locked in their profits. So it's really at a very tight position right now to either retest the high that I made over here or go back to to the $100 mark over here. So definitely be on the lookout for GameStop stock if you're somebody that's still holding GameStop stock. Tomorrow after the market closes, it's going to be interesting what to hear from the company, the CEO, the CFO. A lot of people, a lot of excitement on the new management and how they're going to be taking the company moving forward, and people are super bullish about it. We have Keith, which is also known as Roaring Kitty, which is invested heavily into this company and is super bullish. He expects the management to deliver for them to actually take this company moving forward to the upside, to continue to grow with online and different kind of revenue streams that can potentially be making. So a lot of people are going to be watching this company, so definitely keep an eye on it if you're interested to trade it. So the other companies that are going to be reporting earnings that we know of is going to be Blink Charging. They're going to be they're going to be reporting their earnings on Thursday after the market close. And these are the remaining companies that are going to be reporting earnings for this upcoming week. So when you look at exactly the other companies that I'm going to be talking about in this video, these are the NFT stocks. So we know Bitcoin has been making a massive move for the past few months. It hit a high of above $60,000. Right now it's pulling back below $55,000, but we have another industry within the cryptocurrency space, which is NFT. So NFT, if you don't know, these are digital assets that you can buy. So there's been a lot of people making a lot of money, millions and millions of dollars, selling their NFTs. So these are going to be the top 3 companies to watch out for that can potentially get involved in NFT. So they're not right now actively involved in it, but a lot of people are speculating that these 3 companies can potentially get involved in NFTs. So in spite of that, you can see the stock price shooting up significantly, especially for tkat. The stock shot up all the way to $49, which is above 65% for the day. So that's been making massive moves. And we also have jfin. This is also another company that could potentially get involved with NFT. So as I mentioned, this is all speculation. As I mentioned, all of this is just speculation. The stock price also shot up to around $14.90, which is above 78, which is up 78%. And we also have HOFV, which is also another company that is up significantly. So these are going to be the top 3 stocks to watch. I know they're overextended in the short term, but we know companies like Riot, CAN, and we also have Mara. These companies definitely trade higher when Bitcoin prices go high because they're directly associated with Bitcoin mining. But these are going to be a group of stocks also to watch. If NFT gets a lot of attention, these companies get directly involved with it. So just keep an eye on it. Of course, they can definitely pull back significantly in the short term. I do not recommend anybody to get involved in these companies right now because they shot up. This is just a way to keep it and you watch this and to see how the stocks behave if they drop significantly to the downside, and we have another NFT trend, another NFT hype that happens around the world in the near future when there's mass adaptation. I know it's only few amount of group of people or just a few million people that actively are involved with NFTs. If it gets really explosive growth and the future gets super popular, these are going to be the top 3 stocks that we need to be watching out for. But in the short term, they're definitely extended to the upside. So definitely keep an eye on these 3 companies, So now let's go over and talk about exactly what happened to the stock market today. As you can see over here, we had a phenomenal day for the majority of the tech stocks. We have Tesla stock up 2%, Amazon, Facebook, Google, Microsoft, Apple. These were the major companies that are lagging last week. And we even have some semiconductor stocks that performed very, very well. And today it was actually the leading sectors like the energy and financials that were actually dragging down to the downside. We have JP Morgan, Bank of America pulling back to 2.69%. We have also the energy stocks, ExxonMobil, that's down another 1%. We have Booking, Boeing, like Carnival Cruise, Royal Caribbean also down. So we'll see moving forward this upcoming week. There's going to be a lot of events that can significantly affect the stock market. We have Jerome Powell speaking. We also have jobless claims numbers and etc. coming up pretty soon. So for tomorrow, some important economic reports that we need to be watching out for is going to be for new home sales. So this is going to be reported at 10 a.m. It's going to be for the month of February. The previous was around 923,000, and the medium forecast is 179,000 for the month of February. So we also had some really fantastic gains for the REITs. The real estate sector, as you can see over here, we have stocks like AMT, CCI, SBAC. These are the REITs that have been performing very, very well. And we will see if there's going to be continuation because, those home sales numbers can definitely be some impactful, especially for this sector. I know I've been hearing a lot of people are having issues buying homes right now because there is a lot of people that are actively looking to buy homes in certain areas, and they're really bidding a lot. And when you actually try to buy one house, so there are like 90 to like 100 offers, and that's just crazy depending upon, of course, what area you're at. But that's just over the top in some sectors, in some areas of the USA where the housing market is just really hot right now. So let's see what could potentially happen, especially if you're holding any of these REIT stocks in this sector. So moving forward, of course, as I mentioned, just be on the lookout for this week. We have Jerome Powell speaking, at least 3 times this week. So be on the lookout for that. That can definitely significantly affect the stock market. But if you have any questions, any comments, make sure you drop it in the comment section below. And if you want to get free stocks, free Bitcoin, and etc., check out the links in the description box. But I catch you guys on another video tomorrow. Let's get it. Have a wonderful day.